Hi there guys, it's Easy Fix FX again. Currently in a trade again on GbpUsd. I've sold the market at 20 lots. I'm currently running at about 15 or 16 pips in profit, nearly 5k. I'm pretty sure price is going to drop to this where my TP level is. That's the 1st of December, and yeah, I'm just trying to, just in this trade, I'm just being patient with it. I'm just showing you guys a live trade again, just so you guys can get the feel of it and understand what it's like to trade real money. Not a lot of YouTubers are showing you guys live profits. All those fake gurus and everything, they're only showing you guys technical analysis and strategies, but they're not actually showing you live trades. I'm pretty much one of the only guys that are actually doing it, funny enough, which is strange. But so I'm pretty happy where I've set my take profits. My stop loss is in profits. So if the market gaps or does something crazy, it probably won't do that, but it's just set there. Always set your stop loss in profits when you're about 10 or 15 pips in profits, I'd say. Because if the market turns around, then it's most likely going the other way. As you can see, my Easy Fix FX stochastic has showed us an overbought condition. So we got in here at that level, just below that key level. The market's moving now nicely. Come on, baby, come on. Do me right. Drop. Alright, so my stochastic is showing me we're very oversold at this current stage. It looks like the market's going to push up later. My show pips indicator, you guys must definitely use the show pips indicator because it's really handy in managing your trade while you're live in a trade. It really eases your mind because you don't have to calculate your count or your pips. It's telling me my pips, my profits, my percentage on my account. It's got a candle countdown. It's giving me the spread, which is 9, as you can see. So we're nearly at TP. Just need about 2 more pips. Let's just see what happens. Christmas comes early for me. Every day it's Christmas for me, guys. Literally. So let me just drop my TP more into profits just in case. Always lock in profits. Don't be greedy, guys. As you can see, I'm only looking for about just over 20 pips. You don't need more than 20 pips a day. Come on, drop your bastard. Come on. There we go. Cool, guys, that's me done for the day. There's my profits for the day. I'm happy with that. As you can see, 7k locked in. So that's it. As easy as that. So I just want to go show you guys quickly the account history. As you can see, 7k made today. There are those profits on GbpUsd from the previous video that I showed you. So there we go, guys. I'm being transparent with you. There's the account history as well. So hope you guys have a good week, and peace.